everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Taking a look at the WAHL Pro High Performance Home Cutting Kit. Now this specific model is the 3145. According to WAHL, the manufacturer, this one's supposed to deliver 15% more power than your best customer clipper. According to the manufacturer, it cuts 40% faster than the previous model. Okay, and here it is. Right, I do appreciate the case that it comes in. Definitely will actually protect your equipment, right? And here is the cover. Okay, and here's another look just before we open it up, and let's see what you get in this box. Okay, all right, beautiful the package, I must say. Okay, and here we can see a booklet. I'm just showing you various models that they do have. Okay, I'm going to put that aside and see what else comes. Oh, beautiful. Now you get a cape. Beautiful. Alright, beautiful. So this is actually giving you an experience. Even though you're at home, you can set yourself up as if you're at a professional barber salon. Okay, everything, you get everything in the box. Okay, here's your clipper, and we're going to take a closer look at it. Okay, right away I like the feel. It's feels sturdy, feel as if you have some weight in your hand here. So it seemed like a pretty much premium built. Alright, and we have your scissors. It comes standard. A comb. Okay. Alright, for grooming. And what else? Okay, this is I guess for sharpening. Guard there. And oil. And a little comb. So now that we lay everything out, we're going to go through the content one by one, and just to show you what's happening. Okay, alright, so this is the cape that I was mentioning earlier on, that it does certainly give you that feel as if you're at the barber shop, right? So while you're at home, you don't have to get hair all over the place, right? You can control it by using this cape. Okay, and they have the strings just to tight when you put it around whosoever it is that you're cutting their hair. Okay, and this is the scissors. I like how it comes in the case. I'm going to open up and to take a look at the various guard that comes standard with this clipper. Okay, and here we go. Now it's the standard equipment where the blade guard is concerned. So we have so number half, right, and then a number 1, and a number 1.5, then number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, all the way to 8. Okay. And also it comes with yes, so also a styling chair that comes standard with the package. Right. In total it's 10 guard. Right, 10 of them. That's in the package. And just to ensure that you're cutting the ear, or whoever it is here that you're cutting, with confidence, right? Because the guard is there to help you, to ensure that you, even if you're a beginner and you're practicing, you won't have to feel nervous, right? Because the guard will ensure that you don't take off more than you can chew, in other words, right? Alright, so beautiful package. I do like it, and I'm gonna really enjoy cutting my hair as well, the hair of my son. Okay, so here's the pouch. It's made from a nylon material. Okay, and so easy storage for those clipper guard, right? Ensuring keeping everything tidy, right? When you put it away. Okay. As I said before, this is almost like you're at the barber shop. You're getting that premium package right there, and so you feel as if you are in a barber salon setting, because all the equipments are well and easy to organize. You see, here it is, all your guard clips put away safely, right? And easy access, you know where to find it. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. Please remember to like and to subscribe. Alright.